Hello everyone, in this video I will guide everyone to auto-comment on posts on Facebook using MKT Care software. First, we open the MKT Care software, go to the comment function, select comment. Next, select the accounts you want to comment on, then set the parameters including time, comment content, ID of the post you want to comment on. Finally, click Start, and that's it. The software will take care of the rest. Don't forget to give me a like, a comment, and a channel subscription. See you all in tomorrow's video.